Ethiopian Grade 11 Chemistry, Entrance Exam Model, Unit 1. 30 multiple-choice questions with answers. 1. Chemistry is the study of A. Living organisms, B. Matter and its changes, C. The Earth, D. Space. Answer, B. 2. Which is a chemical property? A. Density, B. Color, C. Flammability, D. Melting point. Answer, C. 3. Which is a physical change? A. Burning wood, B. Rusting iron, C. Melting ice, D. Cooking food. Answer, C. 4. Which is a chemical change? A. Boiling water, B. Freezing water, C. Burning paper, D. Cutting wood. Answer, C. 5. Which is a pure substance? A. Air, B. Salt, NaCl, C. Milk, D. Soil. Answer, B. 6. Which is an element? A. Water, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Iron, D. Sodium chloride. Answer, C. 7. Which is a compound? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Water, D. Copper. Answer, C. 8. Which is a homogeneous mixture? A. Oil and water, B. Sand and water, C. Air, D. Granite. Answer, C. 9. Which is a heterogeneous mixture? A. Salt solution, B. Vinegar, C. Oil and water, D. Air. Answer, C. 10. The smallest particle of an element is A. Molecule, B. Atom, C. Ion, D. Electron. Answer, B. 11. The atomic number equals the number of A. Neutrons, B. Protons, C. Electrons plus neutrons, D. Nucleons. Answer, B. 12. The mass number is A. Protons plus neutrons, B. Protons plus electrons, C. Electrons plus neutrons, D. Protons only. Answer, A. 13. Which particle has a positive charge? A. Electron, B. Neutron, C. Proton, D. Atom. Answer, C. 14. Which particle has no charge? A. Electron, B. Proton, C. Neutron, D. Ion. Answer, C. 15. Which particle has a negative charge? A. Electron, B. Proton, C. Neutron, D. Nucleus. Answer, A. 16. The nucleus contains A. Electrons only, B. Protons only, C. Protons and neutrons, D. Neutrons only. Answer, C. 17. Which scientist discovered the electron? A. Dalton, B. Thomson, C. Rutherford, D. Bohr. Answer, B. 18. Which scientist proposed the nuclear model of the atom? A. Dalton, B. Thomson, C. Rutherford, D. Chadwick. Answer, C. 19. Which scientist proposed electrons move in fixed energy levels? A. Dalton, B. Bohr, C. Thomson, D. Rutherford. Answer, B. 20. Isotopes have the same number of A. Neutrons, B. Protons, C. Electrons and neutrons, D. Nucleons. Answer, B. 21. Which method separates an insoluble solid from a liquid? A. Distillation, B. Filtration, C. Evaporation, D. Chromatography. Answer, B. 22. Which method separates salt from seawater? A. Sieving, B. Decantation, C. Evaporation, D. Filtration. Answer, C. 23. Which method is used to obtain pure water from salt solution? A. Distillation. B. Filtration. C. Decantation. D. Sieving. Answer, A. 24. Which is an example of matter? A. Heat. B. Light. C. Air. D. Sound. Answer, C. 25. Matter is anything that A. has color, B. has mass and occupies space, C. produces heat, D. can dissolve in water. Answer, B. 26. The SI unit of mass is A. gram, B. kilogram, C. liter, D. meter. Answer, B. 27. Which is evidence of a chemical reaction? A. change in shape. B. gas production. C. melting. D. dissolving sugar. Answer, B. 28. Which law states that mass is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction? A. Boyle's law. B. Charles's law. C. law of conservation of mass. D. Avogadro's law. Answer, C. 29. Which of the following is a physical property? A. reactivity. B. density. C. combustibility. D. toxicity. Answer, B. 30. Which statement is true about compounds? A. They can be separated by physical methods. B. They contain only one type of atom. C. They are formed by chemical combination of elements. D. They are always gases. Answer, C.